Today I'm going to make you another ice cream in the Brio Bite ice cream machine, but this time dairy-free. We're doing the strawberry dairy-free. Let's get started. I've had the freezing bowl in the freezer for a few days. Let's get that on here. This is the strawberry ice cream recipe that came with Brio Bite, except for I used a dairy-free cream and almond milk. So absolutely no dairy in here. And put this on like this. And start. Oh, I gotta turn around the wrong way here. We'll come back. Okay, we have got the dairy-free strawberry ice cream done. Nice and thick. Let's try it. So this is again the strawberry recipe in the Brio Bite ice cream machine set up here. Let's give it a try. Totally dairy free. That is, it's really good. That is. I love this little machine. There's the name. The Brio Bite ice cream machine. So awesome.